I'm sitting here outside and it feels great. I'm wanting to make this video because, well, first to talk about the interestingness of the fact that being outside, I think, at least for me, and I assume for other humans, is very amazing and feels great. And is a good contrast, like a good balancer to society, It's like, so you're not so off balance. It feels as if it balances me, and I believe other people feel that way as well. The reason I think that is because this is what we are, This is us in a very pure way. Everything is. And also this is where our ancestors were. They were outside, they were in nature. And I think there's bleed-throughs in time that's in us. That love that they have, their lives that was in the outside area of the world is a part of us. And so getting out there kind of connects us to them. And we're able to feel a profound connection and a balancing, and we're getting to who we are. So if you can, highly recommend finding solitude in nature. I understand it can be hard for people depending on where you live, but I'm very fortunate to have, like a canyon to myself. But even just your backyard, if you have one, where you can be alone in nature, or with people. But I find being alone is extremely beneficial for me, and fun, and beautiful, and so yeah, that's all I have to say. Goodbye.